Stop by and take a look at the 2018 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, power tailgate, 4-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heads-up display, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.